To get started, go to analytics.pulsify.org and click Continue with Google. Access is limited to authorized domains and emails, so please sign in using your professional email or an email approved by softofficepro.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see 3 ways to begin. Import data and label files directly from your local disk. Connect to an ODK Central server to access data and labels automatically. Open a previously saved project folder from your local drive. Please note that this software does not store any data in the cloud. While the application itself is served from the cloud, all data it processes is stored only on your local computer. Your first step is to bring in your data. You can upload local CSV, XLS, or XLSX files, or sync directly with ODK Central by entering your form URL and credentials. During the import process, you'll choose a project folder. This step is important. Pulse Analytics processes all data locally in your browser using DuckDB, which keeps your project portable, secure, and stored entirely on your own machine. Now let's get the ODK Central Data API endpoint. Once you have it, the data can be imported seamlessly with a single click. Both the data and all associated labels are brought in together. No extra steps or complexity. After importing, it's time to explore your data. The data view provides a spreadsheet-style display of your raw responses. You can switch to variable view to manage labels, change variable types, or hide variables from your analysis. In the label editor, you can easily view the values and their labels for both nominal and multi-select variables. Here's a neat trick. Just click on any variable in variable view and you'll instantly jump to the data view with that same variable highlighted in blue. To jump back, double-click the variable name in data view and it will take you right back to variable view with the variable still highlighted. In variable view, you can do a lot more to check and improve your data quality. First, check out the hidden button, the one with the eye icon. This lets you see any variables or sub-variables that have been hidden in the dataset. For example, when you create a multi-select variable, its sub-variables and the main array variable are automatically hidden to keep the variable list clean and clutter-free. Next, there's the compute variable option. This lets you create a new variable using plain English commands. No formulas to remember. The AI handles it for you. Let's say you want to create an age class variable from age with brackets like up to 20, between 21 and 35, between 36 and 50, and 51 and above. Just describe it and the system creates a neatly labeled age class variable. Convenient and fast. You'll also notice an I button and a delete button next to each variable. These let you hide or delete individual variables. And if you're working with a large dataset, you can use the search box to find matching variables. For example, type multi and it will select all variables that contain that string in any of their parameters. Then you can hide them all at once. There's another handy function that helps spot variables you really don't need for analysis. Things like date, time, UUID, or geolocation fields. These are automatically flagged because they aren't useful for most analytical tasks. Another useful feature lives right in the data view. While scanning through your data, you can click the little I button next to any variable name to quickly hide it. Perfect for focusing on just the columns that matter at the moment. Now, let's talk about uncovering hidden segments in your data. This goes way beyond simple categories like age brackets. It's about finding patterns and groups based on behavior, preferences, or complex relationships that aren't obvious at first glance. That's where the Create Segments AI function comes in. This feature uses AI to automatically choose the best method for the job, whether it's latent class analysis, k-means, db-scan, or affinity propagation, based on what your data looks like. In just a couple of minutes, it performs the segmentation and even creates a new variable in your dataset with the discovered segments. All you have to do is let the AI do the heavy lifting. Another handy feature, similar to the metadata view you might know from other analytics tools, is Pulse Analytics AI's metadata toggle. Just go to the View menu and select ID or value to see the actual data codes, or choose Label to display the descriptive labels directly in your table. Now, let's look at a truly intelligent feature: auto-generate tables powered by AI. This tool automatically scans your dataset to identify potential segmentation or banner variables. Then, in a single click, it builds out a set of custom tables, much like you'd create in SPSS custom tables. It organizes the output into separate tables for counts, percentages, and scale data, and even includes industry standard significance markers that you can edit. All of it generated instantly. If you want more control over your custom tables, there's a solid selection of pre-built metrics to choose from. But you can also go a step further and create your own custom metric, again using plain English. No complex equations needed. And for those who prefer a hands-on approach, the Table Builder interface is fully manual too. You can build any crosstab you need using a simple drag and drop interface. It supports multi-level variable structures and lets you choose any metric you want, whether it's one of the pre-built options or a custom metric you just created with AI. When it's time to share your work, Pulse Analytics offers several export options covering both data and metadata in industry standard formats like CSV, XLSX, and even SPSS metadata. And any tables you've generated, whether through AI automation or manual drag and drop, can be exported neatly into a single Excel workbook with multiple sheets. It's just like the output you'd expect from SPSS custom table processing. But Pulse Analytics doesn't stop there, unlike most other industry standard tools. And that's because Pulse Analytics isn't just another statistical table generation platform. It's an AI agent capable of so much more. So what's next? Naturally, it's time to generate the report from all those tables you've created. Pulse Analytics takes the significance markers from your tables, along with your research objective and reporting expectations documents, and analyzes every important data point. It then creates a detailed document that indexes each key finding and insight tied to your objectives. Every important discovery is right there, clearly documented. Of course, that detailed report can be quite lengthy. So there's another function designed to create a concise version, one that intelligently focuses on what truly matters and what doesn't, delivering a polished, final report ready for use. And that's the power of Pulse Analytics AI, going beyond standard tables to deliver intelligent insights and AI-powered reporting, all in one seamless platform. Ready to explore the system for yourself? For a complimentary test account, just get in touch with us at info@softofficepro.com.